Apple iPhone 15 leaks have already revealed several of the business's most significant design changes, but there is increasing anxiety that the company may also raise costs, and now a major industry figure has verified those suspicions. Dan Ives, a prominent Wall Street analyst, revealed that the iPhone 15 range will indeed be more expensive than current models. He later appeared on CNBC and reiterated that the average selling price for next-generation iPhones will increase, having previously warned of iPhone 14 price rises internationally, which Apple subsequently did, but US customers were spared the same increases. That is anticipated to change with the iPhone 15 range, with numerous experts and insiders reporting price increases of up to $200 for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. While US buyers will understandably be concerned about this potential price increase, the biggest shock will be for international customers who could be facing their second successive major price increase. Despite this, Ives remains bullish on Apple, raising his 12-month stock target to $220 from $205. He thinks the iPhone 15 cycle might be a watershed event for the corporation, with sales increasing from 235 million to 240 million devices. After his analysis revealed that around 250 million iPhones had not been updated in over 4 years, generating a massive backlog of prospective purchasers, it remains to be seen if Apple has done enough with the iPhone 15 series to drive this amount of sales. While multiple leaks indicate that the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will be updated, as well as iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models with faster CPUs, better cameras, an action button, and a range-wide shift to USB-C, the overall changes are minor. Early iPhone 16 leaks indicate substantially more ambitious iPhones, with one major leaker even actively discouraging iPhone 15 upgrades. Combine this with price increases, and Apple's notoriously devoted customers will be put to the test this year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.